Hey everyone, it's Dr. Shirley here at Level Up Integrative Health and Med Spa. I am starting my organic herb garden here in the back of my office. Sustainability and organic food is really important. Food is medicine, so it's definitely important for me to grow stuff that I can enjoy looking at, smelling, and also taste. I am especially excited about adding lavender. I love the way it smells because it is also a natural pesticide. I am growing it by the doors so that I can open the door for fresh air without letting all the bugs in. But some other stuff that I'm planting, I am planting some oregano, some basil mint, cilantro, sage, parsley, thyme, and some rosemary. All right, so these are not hard things to grow. You can grow them also indoors. You can even grow these things hydroponically, and these are super easy to do. I love how it makes every room smell better whenever you have some sort of potted herb growing. You can add these to your dinner. Just go and pick a couple leaves here and there. So just want to encourage everyone to do this because it is good for your health and it's great for the environment. It's also very calming to look at too.